All right, it's 11/22/22 the year, Tuesday, and we just changed the transmission fluid on the 2002 Acura MDX, and this is the VIN number 41883. And the mechanic who put the transmission together didn't connect a lot of the 10mm bolts. So as you can see, this whole wiring harness is loose. There's a 10mm that goes there, and then this needs to be in a 10mm, and after that, this thing over here gets clipped onto that thing. And so there's a lot of things that's loose here, and this wiring harness wasn't clipped in either. So it's best if someone who did this put some of the 10mm back. And there seems to be a line that runs across here. Some kind of vacuum line or something that goes across there, right here. That didn't get put back. And that's it.